Hello, dear friends. Today we will learn very useful daily expressions with meaning and examples. Let's start the lesson. To make faces. To make faces.
This expression means to move one's eyes and mouth, to create a silly or funny appearance. For instance, the baby laughed when I made faces at him. Don't make faces. Just eat your meal.
Please don't forget subscribe to English Signal channel and also support our work by liking, commenting and sharing.
Get stuck. Get stuck.
It means be unable to move. For example, the car got stuck in the mud. The ring got stuck on my finger.
Carry out. Carry out.
Carry out means to take something out of a place. They carried out the sofa. She helped him carry out the boxes and books.
Stay put. Stay put.
Not move. I will go and look for him, but you stay put. Stay put here. I'll come back soon.
What for? What for?
It means why. She gave me $5. What for? I have to go home. What for?
Yell to. Yell to.
It means to allow something to happen. She yielded to his demands for a cookie. I yielded to my girlfriend's demand for ring.
For good. For good.
It means finally, forever. Our relationship is over for good. Good news. I quit smoking for good.
Be broke. Be broke.
Not have any money. He was broke, so he borrowed money from his friend. Let's go to the cinema. Not I can't. I am broke.
Put away. Put away.
To put in a safe place, hide or store. She put away her jewelry in a box. Where did you put away my shoes?
Sell out. Sell out.
To sell all of, have no more, because all are sold. She needed to buy some fish, but the store was sold out.
Catch a cold. Catch a cold.
Get cold. He walked home in the rain without an umbrella, and caught a cold.
What's up? What's up?
It means how are you? Hi Sarah. What's up?
Dry out. Dry out.
Become dry after some time. Your plants will dry out if you don't give them water.
You bet. You bet.
It means sure, yes. Are you free tonight? You bet. Would you like some more cookies? You bet.
Keep up. Keep up.
To continue. You are doing a great job. Keep up the good work.
Owing to. Owing to.
It means because of. Owing to the bad weather, the picnic was cancelled. I had to go home early, owing to a severe headache.
Let go of. Let go of.
To release. He slowly let go of her hand, and she walked away. Let go of the bird.
Drop someone a line. Drop someone a line.
To write a letter to someone. When you get to London, drop me a line.
Lay off. Lay off.
Quit, stop. Lay off this noise. I am trying to sleep. When are you going to lay off smoking?
Keep one's word. Keep one's word.
To fulfill one's promise. She promised to call me, but she didn't keep her word. I always keep my word.
Thank you for watching. Just practice with videos every day.